Ever wonder what the critical infrastructure sectors are and why they're so vital? Archer's here to break it down for you. This sector includes electricity, oil, and natural gas, which powers our homes, businesses, and industries. A disruption here can impact nearly every aspect of daily life. Ensures the delivery of clean water for drinking, agriculture, and sanitation. Protecting this sector is crucial for public health and safety. Encompasses the hardware, software, and services that enable businesses to operate, communicate, and manage data. Cybersecurity is paramount here. Includes telephone, internet, and broadcast systems that facilitate communication. Reliable communication networks are essential for emergency response and daily activities. Covers aviation, highways, maritime, rail, and transportation systems. Safe and efficient transportation is vital for the movement of people and goods. Provides essential medical services and public health systems that keep communities healthy and respond to health emergencies. Includes banks, credit unions, and payment systems. Protecting this sector ensures the stability of the economy and public trust in financial institutions. Produces essential goods from electronics to machinery that support other critical sectors. Ensuring the security of this sector is crucial for industrial and economic stability. Ensures the production, processing, and distribution of foods. Protecting this sector is vital for food security and public health. Includes buildings and facilities owned by governments at all levels. Protecting these ensures the continuity of government operations and public services. Provides essential products and services to support national defense. Ensuring the security of this sector is critical for national security. Understanding and protecting these critical sectors is essential for maintaining the functions and services we rely on every day.